again, I'm just going to use the vertical of the paper in order to help me line this up. So let me just set this off to the side. So from this point on, just lining up at the base of the paper to get it a vertical line for the horizon. Finding the section for the top and the bottom, so I'm just going to extend it from here to here and rotating this so it goes to the vanishing point. So I don't draw the lines all the way over because I don't need them that far. I'm just trying to get the appropriate angle. And let's see, that's going to be, again, just putting the ruler down right next to the pencil as it's setting there. And this is crossing the horizon line, so it's going to get a little bit more of an angle. So there's the vertical. 2 lines to the left, 2 lines to the right vanishing point. Now it's just a matter of, again, extending that piece up. So here it's just lining up with the ruler up at the top of the page there. That gives it that edge. Do the same on this side. Finding the top edge of that paper. And that gives me the rectangle. Now all I have to do is from this corner down to this piece kind of estimate the angle from the object. Just rotate this right to the vanishing point. And it stops right here. And the back of the angle for this piece is going to be the same setup. So if you can see this part, this line from here is now going to go to the vanishing point. Okay, and this one is just going to be parallel to that. If you take these two in the back, in other words, you're trying to find the back point of this, just find the center of the back of this object. So it gets a little tricky. Here's the base again. Line it up to the left vanishing point. Right where that intersects, taking a vertical line, that's where this piece is going to end. So right here is the point. Just heavy it up a little bit so it's easier to see. So very easy once you get it set out there. And then just a matter of trying to finish it off with the shading. So if you can see this up close, it's showing the back of this line. Let's see if I can get this up here for you. This back point is shown from the back edge of this in order to find this point right here. Then it's just a matter of shading it in, still following the vanishing point for some of the hatch lines. I'm trying to create that value in there. And losing that edge. There. And again, either use a straight edge you can butt up against it with your pen, but it's much easier just to use the scrap piece of paper to just go right up against there because it's flush with the paper. And again, trying to look at it as the gradient going back to that edge. And right at the base, you can make it a little darker. Piece there. Kind of gives you a little bit of help. The light of the paper is going to be your lightest value. There you go. So it gives you that last section. So 2-point perspective, going to the right vanishing point, this going to the left. These would actually go to a vertical vanishing point.